in the Corona Survival Pack, I got a lot of information, how to restore my health, how to protect my body, how to protect myself, my environment, and I applied just one of this information and I could restore my health, to improve my health within a very, very short time, in a big amount. And why you need it? You need it because, look, if you are someone attack you or something attack you, you have to know everything about the enemy, his strengths, his weaknesses, how did you invite him to attack you, and how can you protect yourself. You need to know everything about your strengths and everything about your weaknesses, everything about yourself, and result is immunity against any attack, not just the coronavirus.